Welcome. In this video, I'm going to go over how to identify functions when you're given sets of ordered pairs. Now, remember, the thing we want to look at is, the relationship between inputs and outputs. Namely, we want each input to map to exactly one output. In other words, each independent variable maps to exactly one dependent variable. And in a practical sense, this means we're looking to see that there are no duplicate independent variables. And independent variables are also known as inputs. So let's go ahead and take a look at the set A. The independent variables are 0, 1, negative 3, 5. No duplicates, so I'm going to label this one a function. Let's look at B. The inputs are negative 4, 2, and 2. And our outputs, you notice, 2 will map to negative 3, and 2 will also map to negative 5. That means this input has 2 outputs. So this is not a function. Let's go ahead and look at C. Negative 5, 2, negative 3, 0. There are no duplicates, so this is a function. Let's look at D. 3, 3, 0, 2. And then let's just verify 3 maps to negative 4. 3 also maps to negative 2. 3 maps to 2 different outputs. So this is not a function. I'm going to go back to B and do this for D as well real quick, just to make it clear that this is why this is not a function. 2, so the input of 2 has more than one output. And that's why this is not a function. Same for D, the input of 3 has more than one output. And if you're looking for a different way to phrase this, an alternative phrasing, and I'll do this for D, the independent variable of 3 maps to more than one dependent variable. So this is not a function. All right, and for the last one, we have just 1 point. This is a function. Dependent. Oh, my goodness. My iPad thinks I wanted this word. It's dependent. All right, and for those of you in my class, I take complete sentence verbal explanations really seriously, so make sure you can explain this in words and not just point to something and say function, not a function. Be able to tell me why it is a function, why it is not a function, referencing the definition. Otherwise, please keep calm and math on.